baby, she a fiend. This shit really ain't what it seems. Big walk, big dough, what you need?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo. So we are gonna explore this abandoned mall.
Can I start it?
No? Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. But at least we know where to come back and where all the f***ing girl balls is. The balls. Babe, it's dark. You can see it on here.
Yo, this is hard.
Walking back to the car.
Okay, well, I didn't know.
We already came across a homeless guy chilling, so but I'm gonna see if I can find my light. Hopefully I didn't take it in my backpack. Hopefully it's just in my car somewhere. Because that thing would be kind of...
Do you have any sweatshirts in your car?
I have my bubble jacket.
Keep you on there.
Why? Oh my gosh, she got a cold sore on her lip and she doesn't want to be on camera. What a freaking loser. Oh, why? Because you got that Apple Watch. Apple Watch. Look at Lucy looking all sexy. Like, God, Lucy.
Pop me. Like two.
Alright, so we're headed back in there. I had to grab my phone. My light wasn't working, but this is scary. This is so scary. Back in the abyss.
Hello? Anybody there? Oh my god, don't shut it all the way. We need some type of light.
This is amazing, dude. This is so sick. Tits. Big old fucking tits. Yo, this is dope. Hey, yo. Where? Looks like it. Let's head somewhere else. The fire escape's right there. We could literally get on top of the mall from right here.
It looks like holy water down there.
Yeah, let's not go down there. Knock, knock. Who's there? Where?
I hear it.
There ain't no raccoon in here. Yo, look at this wall art, bruh. This shit's hard. Oh my god. This is so scary. This is pretty sick.
More shit.
More shit. Dude, this is cool. I feel like we're just so alone. We can just do whatever we want. I want to scream, but there's a guy on the other end. I don't want him thinking like we're getting raped or something.
That one store is open.
Yeah, the boss cops or whatever. Oh, let's go in the scary dark room. Hello, is anybody in here? Is anybody in here? Excuse me, sir, are you taking a shit? Hell yeah, be careful where you step. Don't need you stepping on some shit. Oh, there's a back room. Hello? It's it's a bathroom, not a back room. Oh, no, my pant leg came
like,
out
why
of
is
the
that one light on?
Right, it's low-key a candy store. Oh, yo! This is the movie theater, bro. Yo, it's like...
Yo, it's like freaky cold in here.
Yeah, let's do it. Come on, babe.
It's like literally like negative degrees.
Come on.
There's like something's wrong with it.
Come on.
And there's one light.
Come on. Yo, this is hard. Game.
Like, look at it like one light.
Give me all the fucking popcorn. Give me all the fucking popcorn right now. Hey, there's a cash register. Oh, it says nut. Where's the fucking money? Yo, hold up. Oh no.
There's probably nothing.
You never know until you check it out. We're gonna go check out the theaters. Coming soon to theaters. I don't think there's chairs or nothing in here. Yeah, there's nothing really in the theater area. Oh, we should go in the box office. Oh, this is the old elevator, bruh. You gotta find how to get up the stairs. Oh, I think I found it. No, this is not a bathroom. Yo, I'm telling you, these little... This is crazy.
It's a weird one.
She's like, I'm scared of the movie theater. It's a movie theater. Scary. Scary movies. You want to watch a scary movie?
Weird how it's like...
Right, it's literally like probably 30 degrees in here. And then you come in here.
It's like, what the f***?
Take a boot, shorty. Let's not touch the homeless people stuff. You could tell this is old because this is a movie is $7.50. Like, when has a movie ever been that cheap? Like, oh, this is a Hoyts. That's hard. It's an old ass Hoyts. Strapped up. You ready to be strapped up?
What is going on? What the fuck is going on?
I feel like I'm breathing in f***ing death. Death. Die.
This is probably like a Spencer's or something.
Black.
I'm stressed out. Think I need a blunt, a five to get me through the rest of the night. This pressure is weighing on my mind. Not enough time to shine. I'm stressed out. Think I need a blunt, a five to get me through the rest of the night. This pressure is weighing on my mind. Not enough time to shine. Go, whoa, look where I'ma go.
I'm gonna steal that because I can get $13.
I'm gonna take it because it's $13.
$13.
Coming up next on $13.
Beating on my chest, I'm sick of this pressure. I'm upset cause if I don't control the stress, I'm dying, y'all. I'm sick.
Boy! Verking it. I'm verking it. I'm verking it. Oh yeah, let's not go in the moldy area. So if you guys are in the DMV area, you ever want to find a dope spot to shoot a music video, dude, that's so much fun. Get on the ground! Yeah, let's look over there. Oh, we're over there. Yeah, I want to like climb up top of there. I feel like I could. There's gotta be like...
It's a small ass bumper, like what is that?
Right, right. Gotta be. What are you doing?
One for you.
Wow, you are so kind. Oh.
Hot.
What did you think, babe? That was like, I don't know.
I mean, it was cool.
It's kind of cool for real.
It was kind of cool, but like...
Wish there was more stuff to look through. It's just kind of empty. But hey, like I said, like future music video location, definitely gonna come here. Charge people extra for gas and shit. Now we're gonna get back in Lucy. We're gonna head to Ollie's. Check out, see what they got here. Check out some more shit. Get out the way, oh Dan Tucker. Get out the way, you stupid mother trucker. Might as well get a pair. You might as well get a pair.
They kind of look weird though.
Nice Crocs. Got me a little chair because I don't know if we ever go on adventures. It's always nice to have like a little chair. Dirty mouth, clean up with this.
How much is that?
$4.99 this giant bottle. Like, why did you get the candles?
That bitch wanna follow my team. She out the molly, little baby, she a fiend. This shit really ain't what it seems. Big wad, big dough, what you need? I got love all across the map now. What that body do, baby, I'm tryna map out. All I know is